Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no audio issue in Davinci Resolve 19 after the latest update. If your sound isn't playing, follow these steps to get it working again. First, check your volume settings. Make sure your computer's audio isn't muted. Also, check mute and solo buttons in the Fairlight tab to ensure they're not turned on. Next, check your audio device settings. Click on Davinci Resolve in the top menu, go to Preferences, then click on Video and Audio Output and Input. Under Output device, make sure your speakers or headphones are selected. Click Save and restart Davinci Resolve. If the issue persists, check your audio clip settings. In the Edit tab, select your audio clip, go to the Inspector panel and ensure the bottom or the volume isn't set to 0. Also, right-click the clip in the timeline, go to Clip Attributes, and make sure the correct audio channels are selected. Finally, if all else fails, reinstall your audio drivers. Sometimes an update can cause driver conflicts, so make sure your sound drivers are up to date. And that's it! Your audio should not be working in Davinci Resolve 19. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one.